What's up guys, it's Wingman Plus. Welcome back to another video. Tinder just announced that for the month of April, Tinder Passport is free. Tinder Passport essentially allows Tinder users to swipe anywhere in the world. In this video, I'm gonna be swiping through one of the sexiest cities in the world, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Before the video starts, make sure you pound that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Now to access Tinder Passport, simply go over to Tinder, hit settings, location, and then hit add new location. A map is gonna pop up here and you can basically search for any location in the world. Now Rio de Janeiro is one of the popular locations here, so let's click that and see what happens. So as you can see guys, my Tinder profile is now set in Rio, Brazil. Let's get swiping. Brazil is pretty much known for like giant booties and beautiful women, so this is pretty exciting. I wonder if I'm gonna meet my Tinderella here and find the love of my life in Brazil. Now, I've never actually been to Brazil, so if there's any Brazilians watching this video, obrigado for watching. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe. When Corona's over, I definitely plan on heading down to Brazil and saying hi to all of you guys. Oh, she's cute, boys. Whoa. I definitely need to work on my Portuguese because Brazil is looking pretty spicy, boys. Holy, I might run out of swipes here. Honestly, this is tough because pretty much all of these women in Brazil are super beautiful and I'm really worried about running out of swipes. I might have to raise my standards, as crazy as this is, but if you're someone who travels a lot and you're constantly on the road, it's really handy to set your location in advance before you travel. That way you can actually set up connections, maybe even dates when you land in the place that you're traveling to. But with COVID, traveling is pretty limited right now. I guess they've made this feature free, that way people can explore the world through Tinder, even though we can't travel, so it's kind of cool in that respect. But it's also weird because you're pretty much just matching people that realistically you'll probably never meet in real life. But let's not let that detract from the fun that we're having here. Wonder if I'll actually get some matches too, that'd be crazy. Oh my goodness. Boys, I think I found the wifey here. Oh my God. Jeez, this girl's an absolute smoke show, boys. Boys, it's a match. All right, so this girl's an absolute smoke show. I'm gonna slide into the messages and open with a classic. Is it true what they say about Brazilian girls? And obviously want to make sure that I spell that correctly. Put a sassy little emoji in there. And we're gonna send that. Some of these girls are actually so pretty, but I feel like if I swipe right too much, I'm gonna run out of swipes. Tinder definitely tries to trap you with this. They'll put like 10 absolute smoke shows in a row. That way you swipe right on all of them and then it will lock you out and be like, hey, pay 20 bucks a month for a premium subscription. So a little pro tip, if you ever find Tinder is doing that to you, just close the app, physically close the app and come back to it a few hours later. As much as Tinder is a dating app, it's more so a business. You know, these guys are trying to make money, so they will definitely do some things like that to you once in a while. Oh, boys, every time I swipe left, a part of me dies. Because like if any of these people were like 10 kilometers from my house, I'd be super liking, you know? I might have to move to Brazil at this point. This is crazy. Oh, what are we doing, boys? Is Brazil open right now? Like, can you fly there right now? Because I might buy my plane ticket tomorrow. Oh my God. What are we doing? A lot of people will tell you that Brazilian booties are fake, but this girl has proven us all wrong. Got the home gym, doing the squats, building that booty organically. So shout out to Louisa. I don't know what her bio says at all. But she's 179 centimeters. I feel like that might be taller than me. Either way, absolute smoke show. Oh my, boys, what are we doing? Honestly, the Brazilian dudes watching this probably already know this, but you guys are living the dream. Beautiful weather. Beautiful ladies. Brazilian food's pretty bomb. Big shout out to Brazil. Like, I just want to swipe right so bad, but I know it's gonna kill my algorithm. This is a really tough exercise. Oh my goodness, what are we doing? Boys, I don't know if Tinder is throwing like an initial wave of absolute dime pieces at me, or if every girl in Brazil is just absolutely knockout gorgeous, but I don't know how much longer I can put myself through this, guys. Like, sitting here in Canada, like, it's kind of cold. We're all in lockdown. Everyone's miserable. And then swiping through Brazil, you know, maybe the grass is always greener, but oh my God. Yeah, boys, I gotta buy my plane ticket right now. This is crazy. All right, boys, that was absolutely way too hot to handle. I don't think I could swipe through Tinder in Brazil anymore. But if there's a city anywhere in the world that you guys wanna see me swipe on next, drop it in the comments below. If you haven't yet, make sure you pound that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Till next time, peace.